Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to download and install Realtek audio driver on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Whether you're updating your sound driver or fixing some audio issues or setting up a new system, this guide has got you covered. So without wasting any time, I'm your tech buddy Adnan Hussain. Let's get started. Open any browser on your PC and search Realtek audio driver, uh, Windows 10. If your device is Windows 11, type Windows 11 instead of Windows 10 and go to the first link, and here's the download file. Before download this file, check your system, it is 64-bit or 32-bit. To check that, go to your settings and system and click on about section. Here you can see my system is 64-bit, and you can check your system type also. Then click on this download option. I will give both the link in the description. You can easily access that from there. The file is installed, and go to the file manager, download section, extract the file. Okay, click that, and here you will see as setup. Then click on the setup, click on yes, and next, next. Install Shield Wizard is uninstalling. I want to insert my click on this, then click on finish, and that's it. You successfully installed Realtek audio driver on your system. And if you face any kind of issue on your system around this, drop a comment below. I will try my best to help you out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more tech tips or tutorial video like this. And also watch other of my video like how to improve your audio quality and other tech tutorials. And catch you on next video. Peace out.